What's up, Ratans? We saw yesterday this dump, and I told you 2 days ago, Bitcoin, huge dump. I had warning. I warned you guys. Yes, we see this bull flag, but don't go and don't jump into a long position, in my opinion, right? So this is what I told you 2 days ago. Literally, you lose money if you don't subscribe to this channel. What is happening? What will next happening? We saw, we see this resistance line, right, which I told you since days right now. This line we see since November, so approximately 4 months resistance. And I told you we see here resistance, then we see dump, we see consolidation, resistance, dump, consolidation, resistance, dump, consolidation, resistance, dump, consolidation, and now we have here resistance. And what will happen next, guys? I tell you this in a minute. Let's zoom out and watch the bigger picture, what we are chasing right now, right? So, because the bigger picture to see is very important to understand what is happening in the market. So, I told you about this huge Wyckoff logic, yes? We have, which perfectly worked out. We see step one, consolidation, pump, consolidation, pump, consolidation at the top, dump, consolidation, dump, consolidation. Now we want to prove that we are here again in this accumulation phase one, consolidation, and we are expecting a pump in the next weeks or months, right? So here's again the Wyckoff logic that you see it in the bigger picture. You see it perfectly worked out. We see consolidation, pump, consolidation, step 3, and we see the top, consolidation, then we see dump, consolidation, this is step 4, and then it begins, just a moment, it begins from new, right? Dump, and we begin again in a consolidation, going into consolidation, right? So we want to prove that we are here again in a consolidation and waiting for this pump and going again into phase 2, right? Which we saw here after the pump, right? So if we are zooming in this accumulation, phase 1, it looks like that, right? So it's called accumulation schematic 1. So now how we want to prove? We want to prove it. I exactly draw it here. To prove it that we are now again in accumulation 1, we have to create a new lower low. We have to break the previous bottom. We have to see this dump. And this is why I also perfectly knew that we will see this dump, while everybody and the whole YouTube was hyping and was bullish. And this is the candle which we saw yesterday. This is the candle, this is all the longs which are get liquidated. These candles, you see these red candles, because everybody go over leverage and go long, right? So guys, in the immediate short term, I am expecting a dump, even though we could see a small pump, I think to the 41,500, 42 maybe, but because they're coming a big resistance at 41,500, you see here, support, right? So we could see a small pump, but in the immediate short term, even though we could see small pump, I'm waiting for this huge dump. Therefore, I'm still in my short position right now. I took some profits, and I tell you in a minute why I took some profits, right? I'm at the moment 30% profit, $300 in profit, 11,000 in contract size right now. So now let's watch the accumulation, right? We have just a moment. We have to break this AC point. This is our bottom right now, SC point. We have to break and create a new low ST point, called ST point, right? So if we create the ST point, we are in phase B of accumulation schematic 1, right? So this is what we are waiting for, to break this SC point to create a new ST point, right? So therefore, I'm like I said, I still in my short position, right? So, and I make sure that I get not liquidated even if we see the small pump, right? So what will happen? What could happen today, right? I told you yesterday, and it's still valid. We see, if we are watching on the RSI is is going down, right? But the price, look at this, the price measured from here to here is still rising. And this, what you see, maybe I make it yellow, then you see it better. Just a moment. And this, what we see when the RSI is falling, but the price is rising, and we measured from the downside, it called, just a moment, it called a hidden divergence, hidden bullish divergence, right? You see the RSI is going down here, this yellow line, the RSI is going down. You see here a red line is going down. The blue line, you see, the price is rising. So the price is rising. So according to this TA on Bitcoin, we should see a pump, right? We should see a pump. But guys, be very, very careful right now. Really, I think to trade now is only for super professional traders. Why? I tell you. If we are watching, so just a moment, that you're not confused. Today, according to the TA, we see bullish divergence, but be very careful. We have to watch the stock market. And if I watch now the S&P 500, look, I go to the S&P 500 and watching also on the 4-hourly, we see here the RSI measured from the upside. The RSI is rising, but the price is dumping, right? So what is this? This is called, if we measure it from the top, we measure the bearish, right? We're checking, is it a bearish sign? And if we measure it from the top, the price is sinking, but the RSI is going up. You see, RSI, this S&P 500 right now, the RSI is going up, but the price, while the price is sinking, RSI go up, and this called a hidden bearish divergence. So it's not every time like that, but it most of the time, if the stock market is going down, crypto is going down. If the stock market going up, the crypto market is going up. So please be today very, very careful, because we see on Bitcoin, we see a bullish divergence, right? So according to this, today we should see a small pump or maybe a sideways. But according to the stock market, which will open 6:30 in the USA, no, in Dubai time, at 9:30 in USA time, we see at the S&P 500, we see a bearish divergence. So Bitcoin bullish divergence, S&P 500 a bearish divergence. So please be careful. We have two different signs right now according to the TA. So be very, very careful, right? Even though I am still in a short position, right? Because I am expecting, and this is what we are watching for. We are expecting to see a new lower low, right? We expect that we break our previous bottom and create a new ST point. This is what we are waiting for, right? Let us go. This is what we are waiting for. Our community is waiting for this to prove that we are in the Wyckoff accumulation 1. We have to break this SC point, right? To create a new lower low. This is what I'm waiting for, and therefore I'm still in my short position, which will survive a small pump, right? So if you also want to trade, but be very careful, this is only for professional traders, super professional, especially the time right now. If you also, just a moment, if you also want to trade, 8,200 in bonus you can claim after initial deposit for free, guys. If you're not professional trader, you can also claim 8,200 for free after initial deposit. Link down below. This comment is the first comment which I pinned, but buy just through spot, right? Or if you can also stand on the sideline and watching till we see clear bull sign, right? 8,200 for free after initial deposit. It costs you 1 minute to make a registration. Links down below, guys. It's affiliate link, so it's a win-win situation. 8,200 in bonus after initial deposit, right? Links down below, guys. So this is what I'm expecting. I make again a summary. We are in the midterm, according to the Wyckoff accumulation. We are see sideways, and we are expecting a pump. This is in the midterm. In the immediate short term, we could see a small pump, but we are waiting for this dump to create a new lower low, right? So guys, please be very careful. Show me your favorite coins, which I should do a TA on these coins right down below. And thank you very much for this amazing nice comments. It makes me very happy that you're watching from all over the world. And say, Slavik, you're a legend. We reached 10,000 subscribers within 2 months only. This is crazy. While whole YouTube was so bullish, we are safe. We took profits. We made money while everybody lose money, and we are super bullish. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you also registered on Bybit or Phoenix, make a new account if you want to support me. Make a new account through my links, and you can claim your bonus at 8,200 for free after initial deposit. You have to transfer Bitcoin or USDT. I think you have to check the guidelines. Guys, I kiss you. I see you today later. I will do for sure another video. I kiss you. Mwah.